to those businesses for helping support St. Jude. And thanks to Jennifer from Ukiah for becoming a partner in Hope. We need 10 more. We've got, let's see, we've got 37 and a half minutes to get 10 more. I think we can do it. Let's put our volunteers back in the Motorsports of Ukiah phone bank to work. Call now, 1-800-966-5529. That number again, 1-800-966-5529. 1-800-966-5529. In 2006, Hayden lost his battle with a rare brain tumor known as ARTR. You know, Danny Thomas opened St. Jude Children's Research Hospital to find cures for children stricken with leukemia, brain tumors, any form of cancer, really. Danny Thomas believes that no child should die in the dawn of life. Let's listen now to Hayden's mother.
I try a lot here, but it's not a different because I'm here keeping Hayden already knows.
That's a solid job, dude.
Hayden also has his faith, and he knows he's going to be here because and our friends that from here that have passed on, he knows that they're all doing what Hayden and part of me.
Oh man, I just crawled right in some juice pit. Best looking heating system around. The best. Ransley Heating and Sheet Metal.